HiQ Plus monopolar instruments are comprised of 3 component parts: the handle, the shaft, and the inserts. Together, these 3 items create a HiQ Plus set. The first step in the assembly process is to assemble the shaft and the insert. Place the proximal end of the jaw insert into the distal end of the shaft. The jaw insert connects to the shaft via a tongue and groove system. The small protruding parts of the insert align with the grooves inside of the shaft. Once fully inserted into the shaft, hold the device perpendicular to the ground and rotate the insert a quarter turn in a clockwise manner. Hold the instrument at the base of the shaft next to the rotation knob. To ensure that the insert is properly seated within the shaft, perform what is known as the test. The test is performed by lightly tapping the proximal end of the insert that protrudes from the base of the shaft. If the jaw is open without migrating forward, the insert is seated within the shaft appropriately. If the insert migrates forward when performing the test, then the insert is not seated appropriately. Now that the insert is properly seated into the shaft, it is time to assemble the handle. The jaws must remain open at this point. Open the handle as far as it will go. Hold the device at the base of the shaft and push the handle firmly into place. Close the handle to complete the assembly process. In order to disassemble the instrument, open the handle as far as it will go. At the same time, push down on the red release button and pull the device apart. A slight twisting motion might be required. Grab the jaw of the insert and rotate counterclockwise to unseat the insert. Remove the red release button on the shaft and the sealing cap on the handle before cleaning.